So how do things get done? You may think things get done because all the necessary ingredients line up, all the form factors, or all the physical bits. But I would argue that things get done from all the people behind those bits. Things get done from a telephone call. Things get done from one gatekeeper talking to another and granting access or greenlighting a project. Knowing who those gatekeepers are, knowing who flips the switch or not, in a sense, that is the essence of networking.